Welcome to this video on page SEO, where we will be discussing some tips and techniques to help you to improve your website ranking in search engine result pages. In today's digital age, having a website is not enough. You need to optimize it for the search engine to reach your target audience. So let's dive in and learn how to do on page SEO. So here the first question is that what is on page SEO? So, the on-page SEO refers to the practice of optimizing individual web page to rank higher on Google search engine and to earn more relevant traffic in the search engines. Okay. Now, on-page SEO involves various elements on our web page, such as content, title tag, meta tag, description, header, tags, and alt text, and much more. So here I am giving you a brief introduction about this on page SEO, and I'm going to tell you some tips that you can use to do better on page SEO. So here the first tip is that conduct keyword research. Keyword research is a crucial step in on-page SEO. It helps you to understand the search terms your target audience use to find your product or services. Use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, HRF, or SEMrush to find relevant keywords of your web page. Okay, now I have already created a video on keyword research, so you can check out that video. There I have explained that how you can use ChatGPT if you are a beginner, then how you can use a ChatGPT to get the keyword ideas. Even those keyword ideas are quite good. You can try that as well, and I have explained some other methods there, so you can watch that video first and then you can move to the next step. So the next step is to optimize the page. Now page titles and page meta descriptions are critical on page SEO elements. So while we are optimizing a page, it means that we are optimizing its title and meta descriptions. So they help search engine to understand the content of your web pages and to attract your users to click on your link SRP. Make sure your page title and meta descriptions are unique and relevant and contains your target keyword. So let me show you first that how it appears on our search engine. Okay, so here I write that awlin.in site colon then the URL of my website. So if you see here, this blue colored title or the blue color line is known as the title. Okay, meta title you can say. Here if you see, I have written boost your health and wellness with best nutritional supplement. Okay, so here this best nutritional supplement is my target keyword. So similarly, if you see in this meta description, I have written looking for the best nutritional supplement. Here I have already also included a best nutritional supplement keyword than this description also here. Now you need to make sure that you include your target keyword in your title, your meta, and in your text as well. Okay, if you see, this is about our home page. We haven't optimized our website completely for own page SEO. So if you see down here, this shipping and delivery policy page, here you do not see any information that the user can view from here and then go to click. If the user come and see this title and meta, maybe he find it helpful for him that he is looking for best nutritional supplement, then he might click on this link and will be redirected to your website. So these are quite helpful for your clickbait. So make sure that you write the better title and better meta for your pages. Okay, now let's move to the tip number 3, and the tip number 3 is to create high quality content. High quality content is the backbone of on-page SEO. Your content should be informative, relevant, and engaging for your target audience. Use your target keyword in your content naturally, but avoid keyword stuffing as it can harm your ranking. Okay, so you need to make sure that you are using your keywords in a specific limit or in a specific range. You are not going to include so many keywords in a single paragraph. So I will explain that how much keywords you can use in a page, or on how many words you can use how many keywords. Okay, so we are going to explain all these things in our upcoming videos. So this is just a brief introduction about this is just a introduction to on page SEO. Okay, now let's move to the tip number 4, that is using header tags. Okay, so header tags are basically h1, h2, h3 tags. These are tags from html. These helps structures your this helps to structure your content and make it easier for search engine and users to understand. Use header tags to break up your content into sections and include target keywords in the header tags. Okay, if you see that this is our website for this project. So if you see, I go to the home page of this website. Here we do not have any kind of content, but I want to include here that you need to make sure that your home page contains some amount of content. So that will help you to get better ranking on Google by the keywords on that content. Okay, now if you see, we have created a blog section here, and in this blog section, if you go in any blog, you will be able to see the target keywords that they are using to get better ranking. So if you see, the keyword is best nutritional supplement brands. So similarly, you need to make sure that you write content in each page of your website. The amount of content is going to decide your ranking. So you need to make sure that your content is plagiarism free and not written from AI. Even if you are writing from AI, I have shared that how you can make that content human written content. Then if you are writing content from chat GPT, then translate or convert it into human written content, so that Google bots cannot identify it as a AI content, because they can uh, downfall your ranking. Okay, now let's move to the tip number 6, that is improving page speed. Page speed is a crucial factor in on-page SEO. Slow loading speed can negatively impact user experience and harm your ranking. Use tools like Google Page Speed Insights, GT Metrics to check your website loading speed and identify the areas that you can improve. So here are some tips that you can use while doing on-page SEO, and I will create a separate video on each tip as soon as possible. So this is about the today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and by following these tips and techniques, you can optimize your web page for search engine and improve your website ranking. Thank you for watching, and hope we found you this video helpful.